Hello, thanks for watching. Second video of today. It's much appreciated that you watch. And tonight I'm going to be making a katsu curry, but I'm going to be making a fish katsu curry, and it's going to be haddock that is in a tempura batter. Right, the recipe that I'm following tonight is actually from Simply Cooks. Here it is here. As it says, Chicken Katsu Curry, but I'm not going to be using chicken. As I say, I'm going to be using fish. I want to see what it's like with fish. It says it's a medium curry, but I think katsu is more of a mild to medium. So we'll see how we go with that, and I'll show you what we're going to be using. So let's have a look. Using Tempura Battered Haddock goujons instead of chicken, just for a change, just to give it a try, see what it's like. Now it's quite a simple recipe to follow. It only takes about 20 minutes to do. I've just got 1 onion, 2 carrots, thinly sliced, coconut milk. This is the however you pronounce it, gochujang, I can't pronounce it, gochujang sauce, and the katsu curry paste. Now there's part of it that I'm missing, which is using the pickle salad mix, because I haven't got any salad in, not until tomorrow. And I'm also doing this with rice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fry off the onion, fry off that. So I'm going to crack on and do that now. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to put these goujons into the air fryer. They only take about 20 minutes to make, to cook. Alright, so I'm going to get my onion in. And I'm going to get the carrots in as well. So it's quite an easy one to make this. I want to see what it comes out like. I've not tried a katsu curry before, and I've certainly not had fish with it either. Salt in the rice. Must admit I've not had a carrot in a curry before. That's a new one on me. As I say, this is another Simply Cooked recipe. It does say to have it with chicken, but I'll give it a go with fish. I was going to make a going curry, but I thought I'll have a go at this, see what it comes out like. Right, now you add the katsu paste. Quick stir around, not cook it much. Then you add quickly the coconut milk. There you go, just bring that to the boil and simmer. That's more or less the sauce finished and done. I'll just put a wee lid on that. Just bring that to the boil. Nice and coconutty. It's quite nice and mild. I'm just going to put that right down to simmer, just down to a very low heat, because it's more or less done. As I say, it's a very quick and simple little curry sauce to make. Hopefully it will go nice with the fish, with it being coconut. Be a nice change. There's a bit of a shadow in here tonight, we're having the light on. A nice yellow colour with the carrot in there. It gives it a nice vibrant colour. Show you a bit closer. Let's say I've tried another recipe that I videoed from what's it called? I forget. Simply Cooks. It was quite nice, so we'll see what this one's like. It comes in the same box. And it says to add a teaspoonful of your, put it the right way, teaspoonful of this gochujang sauce, because this sauce does have a bit of a kick to it. And just cook that through for about another 5 minutes and that's it done. Fish have got about another 5 minutes to go, they'll be done as well. Right, so just drain the rice. This katsu curry sauce is more or less finished. It's got a nice orangey colour. I'll give that a little final taste now just to see what it's like. Oh, that's a lovely taste. Very mild. Just to show you again, this is the curry that I'm making tonight. 25 minutes, that's all it takes. Medium curry, 800 calories. There we go. I haven't got a radish or a cucumber to make the little salad. That's all you need. Very simple to make. Nice little hints and tips on there as well. So that's it. Quite simple, quite easy to make, and it doesn't take long. 25 minutes at the most. What it does say, with the rest of that gochujang sauce that you have left over, just mix it up with some water, just to make a hot sauce. So you can just dribble that over your chicken or your fish or your rice. We'll be using that. I'll get you in a minute when I plate it up. Right, that's the rice out. Some of the sauce. Fish on top. There we go. Simple. Just a wee bit of the sauce over the top. There we go, wee katsu curry. 20 minutes, that's all it takes. Nice tempura fish, some nice rice, and the nice katsu sauce. So we'll have a taste of this, see what it's like. Right, so there we go. So I'll put some of the hot sauce on top of the rice, and just a little bit over the fish. Restaurant quality or what? Now we'll give it a try and see what it's like. Try it with a piece of the fish. And the fish is quite crisp, because it's a tempura batter. So I'll give it a try with that. Right, here we go. Got a little bit of the fish, some of the sauce. Give it a nice try now. That is really nice. It's quite a nice mild curry. You really taste the coconut. And with the fish, I'm surprised it goes really well with it. That katsu curry is really nice. Try some of the hot sauce with the rice. I'll have a bit with the sauce as well. There we go. That mixed in with the katsu curry, it gives it a really lovely taste. Certainly have something like this again. I like curries, I like hot curries, but I also like mild. I like all sorts. I like different spices, and this is really good. I'm going to just try some of this hot sauce on its own. Just a wee teaspoon. Yeah, it's got a lovely kick to it. So I'm going to put some more on. I'm going to put some more on the rice. And I say I love it hot. But that with the fish and the mild katsu curry taste, it's got a lovely taste with the coconut, and surprisingly the carrot works really well. Oh, that's absolutely lovely. If you've tried Simply Cook's recipes before, leave a comment below and tell me what you think. And if it is your type of video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I can't stop eating this. This is lovely. Absolutely lovely. So I'm going to go now. I'm going to go and finish the rest of this. And really appreciate you watching these videos. As I say, give it a thumbs up if it's your type of video. And consider subscribing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave you now. I'm going to have some of my Guinness. I've not even had any of that yet. Well, I want to have some more of that curry quickly. So I'm going to have a little glass of Guinness, so cheers. Oh, it's another hot night. Must be about 30 in here again. But anyway, I'm going to go. I'm not going to rattle on. I'm starting to sweat in here. It's not the curry, it's the heat in here. And I'm going to finish this. So I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching and bye for now.